Hello guys, today I've got Creative Outlier free headphones and I'm going to answer the question, why won't your headphones charge? At first, check the cable and the power brick. Try finding any replacement for your cable. I know it will be difficult because here I've got charging with contacts, the magnetic charging, but you need to try finding a replacement. Apart from that, you need to find another power brick or plug your cable to a computer to check if just charging works. You need to combine all these things, like you need to try finding a new brick, plugging your cable to a new brick, finding new power outlet, a different one, and you need to find a new cable. Apart from that, you need to think about other source, like power source, like for example a laptop or PC, to check if it works. It should work if you find the correct combination, and if it works only from a laptop, not from the power brick or any other thing, like only from my laptop, you need to find, of course, still find another power brick and check if the USB isn't damaged in your power brick, and of course if the power outlet is working. If it didn't help you and if you see that your charging doesn't want to work at all, you need to fix it by performing a factory reset. You need to hold this M button till you see that you are in the pairing mode, like this, and you need to hold volume plus and minus simultaneously now for 5 seconds. This should work for you. If it didn't work for you, you need to contact the device support to have it fixed, because we can't fix it. We don't have actually possibility to do so. Bye!